Now, moisture convergence along a trough axis in the western portion of the Caribbean is generating thunderstorm activity towards the southwest of the island. We can see in our image bright clouds, those thunderstorm tops across the general area. We also have some shore activity embedded along the axis of this trough system, but we're not seeing much of the activity across the land masses of the Jamaica area or across Cuba. We also have high pressure dominating much of the central and eastern portions of the basin. The forecast for tonight: generally fair skies are expected across most of the island. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. 5-knot winds on both coasts from the north on the south coast, while the winds on the north coast are southeasterly. Now in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting it to be generally sunny. For the afternoon, it's partly cloudy, also windy. We do have some isolated showers across inland areas. Temperatures are reaching 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Our breakdown has it partly cloudy to generally sunny across most of the southeast tomorrow. It's partly cloudy in the southwest as well as the northwest. Expect isolated showers if you're inland in Grangehill or Duncan's Trelawney, but it's partly cloudy elsewhere. That's Brownstown through to Port Antonio along the coast. We're also expecting partly cloudy conditions in Golden Spring, Bogwalk, Richmond and Moortown. Now the next few days, it's partly cloudy in the afternoon on Thursday with isolated showers and a few thunderstorms likely across central and western parishes Friday and Saturday. Now for the marine forecast. Northeasterlies are expected on the north coast tomorrow. The wind speeds are between 10 and 50 knots, while wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, the winds are easterly at 10 to 50 knots, with the wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, winds are getting to 20 knots from the east and lifting wave heights up to about 2 meters. Now the outlook has the winds east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots on Thursday as well as Friday and Saturday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 19 past 6 and at 25 minutes after 6 in the grill. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.